ओके सो हाय एवरीवन। मैं क्या बोलना चाहती हूँ कि ओके लेट्स शेयर कल से चालू करते हैं बिकॉज आई हैड अ वेरी गुड नाइट डे कंपेयर टू अगर लाइक लास्ट ईयर का दिन देखा जाए। मेरा लास्ट ईयर 14 नवंबर वाज फक्ड ऑफ बट इस साल आई हैड रियली नाइस डे बिकॉज देयर वर वेरी क्यूट थिंग्स। सुबह सुबह मैंने भूत पकड़ा है। लाइक आई लिटरली सॉ अ disembodied figure which looks like a ghost and that too in my dad's profile pic and I am somehow fucking shocked because वो पिक मैंने खींची और मुझे इतना लेट क्यों दिख रहा है बट आई फील हैप्पी भूत पकड़ने का। लाइक आई जस्ट फील सो हैप्पी दैट आई कॉट अ गोस्ट और लाइक समथिंग। दूसरा आई हैड अ प्रेजेंटेशन यस्टरडे, मतलब प्रोजेक्ट प्रेजेंटेशन। तो मेरी टीम पार्टनर लाइक जो प्रोजेक्ट पार्टनर थी और मैंने बहुत अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट पिच किया था बिकॉज आई स्क्रिप्टिंग वेंट वेरी राइट। पीपीटी थोड़ा बीच से नीचे उतर गया बिकॉज हमें पता था मैम को क्या चाहिए बट हम वो चीज़ एक्जैक्टली डिलीवर नहीं कर पाए पीपीटी के थ्रू। बट हमें ये चांस दिया हम पीपीटी में चेंजेस बना के वो चीज़ डिलीवर कर देंगे बट स्क्रिप्टिंग पार्ट वाज रियली नाइस एंड वी गॉट क्लैप्स फॉर दैट बिकॉज आवर मैम इज सो सीरियस। हमें डर था कि हम रोस्ट ना हो जाए बट वी डिडंट गॉट एंड आई एम लाइक जस्ट हैप्पी आवर वर्क वाज रियली नाइस। सेकंड देयर वाज दिस मोमेंट जो हमें कैप्चर करना चाहिए था हमारी प्रेजेंटेशन में, हमने किया नहीं। दैट वाज लाइक सिंस वी वर गिविंग So we were giving the presentation तो मैम ने बोला कि you have the authority to the class and like since we were at the podium तो मैं और मेरी प्रोजेक्ट पार्टनर के पास पूरा अथॉरिटी था कि हम क्लास को हैंडल कर सकते हैं the way we want, like basically we were the teachers for few minutes and soon we started since presentation सुनने में किसी को इंटरेस्ट नहीं होता है हमारे टाइम पे भी यही हो रहा था and there was some कुछ तो चल रहा था and ma'am was like your class isn't listening and my partner went like shut up guys सुन नहीं रहे हो and there goes like ma'am I'm listening guys and I'm like ये मोमेंट था तो कैप्चर करना चाहिए था but we missed it. So next time we'll keep sure कि हम अगर प्रेजेंटेशन करने हैं इफ यू बिलीव कि हमारा स्क्रिप्टिंग और पीपीटी अच्छा जा रहा है तो विल कीप रिकॉर्ड ऑफ आवर लाइक यू नो हमारे टीचर्स का रिएक्शन समथिंग वी कैन कॉल इट बट इट वेंट रियली नाइस. सेकंड ये गोस्ट वाली बात जो so I asked one of our the people I know who are paranormal investigators and they are really good at their job doing paranormal investigation. I asked one of the psychics and he said it looks the same thing what I feel like and that's why I'm confirmed I caught a ghost red-handedly and I feel so happy. I guess I might soon become a paranormal investigator, maybe a few years later, but I'm sure I want to be one. I want to catch more ghosts. I feel happy about sharing this. So since I got the confirmation he sees the same thing because I felt it might be like a pareidolia. I had a fucked up sleep schedule because what I felt it might be hallucination or pareidolia because I had a very fucked up sleep schedule and I know 90% of the things are brain mixed up and I was like I'm thinking of ghosts and it might look a ghost to me but I asked few of my friends and they were like what the shit it is and I'm like yeah what the shit it is and I told my family too and they were like what the fuck. They were all like kya hai ye aur kyun hai ye and it's like imagine I clicked that picture of my it was that ghost kind of thing. I saw it in my dad's profile picture and I clicked it and I was so in shock like why just why it was there and I'm like I'm so late to catch it but yeah the ghost didn't run away in picture too. I saw it though a year or later too but makes sense. I saw the ghost like first ghost that I collected myself. Kind of a very good achievement I could say. I'm like proud but I don't know what the rest of the world thinks but who cares, right? So basically I know it's been a long time and I haven't been doing any I didn't posted anything and if talking about comes to like I'm in a college. I thought I don't want to go because like what kind of things been happening around that time. I didn't wanted to go to college but unfortunately I agreed to go college and I thought I chose a very good college in terms but no it's really not good and the person who would like and then like I was like if I've told many people most of my friends and everyone knows who knows me and been in a regular talking terms that they know that I wanted to live a hostel life and now I suck at it. I'm like why the fuck I choose the hostel life. It really sucks. There are a lot of issues like adjusting with your roommates then dorm mates then come with like you don't get your own friends you made in the place you grew up. So that's the thing and a person like me people would not agree but I'm an introvert. That's a different thing that I don't behave when I get comfortable with the people I am. So don't just slap on me like you don't look like an introvert to us. I am guys, I am an introvert. It's very hard to stay here like this place has a very Mumbai the local train vibe like everybody's busy in their business, so mean people, so rude, arrogant. Like I might find I found people, one or two people who were actually good to me like my classmates, those to the ones who I started recently talking like a few days back. Those people are good too. I'm not saying they're bad but like the most of the people, the hostel part of people are really not good. I'm very bad at it. I'm having this river life at that point but it's okay. I feel happy right now because my roommate isn't here so I can peacefully record it, otherwise she would be going and complaining. Then I make loud noises, I just sit with the people. Okay, like there's a lot I wanted to share about my hostel life that many insights, many deep thoughts and many my theories and philosophies about how my hostel life sucks to me. It's just like 3 months and something into 3 months 14 days I've been away from my family. I'm keeping a track like actually how many days I've left away from my family and that's why I know like how good am I at tracking time. I have a bunch of assignments to do and I'm here ranting out to the camera and basically I'll post it on YouTube and it will go out. So and before filming out this I was actually watching Aisha movie. I don't know why these underrated 2010 era or like the 2000 era gyms I'm watching so late but I feel happy. This is a great escapism I can have right now when I feel like there's nothing much to do but there's a lot to do. So some or the other day I might share what I feel exactly here but it's not the right time I guess. But yeah, I love ranting, so yes. And anything else? There's nothing much I would like to say. So like, okay, there's this thing like I felt like the people I met in Surat were not kinda good to me, but the best thing happened in Surat was the food, and it's like the best experience. And like the best experience, culinary experience I can have is in Surat. Like practically I have grown up there, okay, and I like the food. It's so good, like real good. And there's this quote. I don't remember the first line of it, but the second line of it is that Surat, for the food experience, Surat is the best place in the world you can go. So basically, I love Surat for its food. And what I can, like the most thing I'm missing right now, my favorite food, spring rolls. Just I need like a moment. I can run back, pick my Activa, dash off to my school corner and have spring rolls as much as I can. But I can't. I really can't. I thought I would have a good college life enjoying spring rolls, but no. If I'm not having spring rolls in my college era, dude, it's not a good college life I'm living right now. I'm just literally not even surviving. I'm like, I have touched the rock bottom. I'm like, I don't know where I exist. And it's so much crowded. It's like the entire people, if I see up the college, it's like, hell no, I don't want to go out. I don't want to meet people. It's really crowded. I feel happy on weekends because most of the people run off to their houses, those who live nearby. Or maybe some people just go off to, for the weekend vacations again. And I feel happy like, yeah, no more people to deal with. But the thing is, I can do nothing about it because it's not in my hand. I can't kick everyone out of the, like, I know, like, I'm a person who respects my privacy and others too. So I can't just kick people out of my life. Out of my life, I can. But like, they should, the best thing I would suggest a college could do in the canteen is just like cubicle kind of thing. Personal place for the people who want to sit alone and eat their food and enjoy in solace, whatever the word called, I'll add it here. And it's like actually a good thing, yeah. Like basically people here more are busy on their phones the entire day. People are busy on the phones, even sitting in the groups. They're not like actually communicating to each other. They all are just busy on their phones, gonna share those reels and stuff. And you wanna do that same thing when you come back to your room, when you're in your classes, when you're like chilling out. So basically we all are on our phones, then why do we need like so much that interaction, like to know each other when we all don't want to know each other? So yeah. What I mean to say, people would have understood it, those who know what that means. Like what do I बोलूं? And I had one more great thing to attend. Since there was this aim why I chose this college was, I talked about those paranormal investigators, right? So they held an event every Halloween, like basically October, and last year I couldn't attend that. So this year I made sure I was in Mumbai and I made it attend, and I felt happy and I met people there. They were so cool. I made few friends, and we chat daily, and then we came up with like some good ideas for podcasting, YouTube channels, even if they're our own horror experiences and stuff. Like, like after getting to college and attending this event made me feel like, oh, finally I got someone here in Mumbai that made me feel like, oh, there's someone I can talk about to horror, paranormal stuff. Because, like in my college, nobody's interested to talk about. And like, I mean, nobody's open about the possibilities of things existing. Like, I didn't meet people who believe in the same idea I have. इतना बड़ा कॉलेज है, इतने सारे लोग हैं, बट मेरे वाइब में आजकल कोई नहीं है for this particular thing. बाकी बच्चों करने के लिए तो ऐसे मोमेंट्स आता है टाइम पास करने के लिए, तो एवरीवन गेट्स पीपल टू गेट टाइम पास, जो क्लास अटेंड करने के लिए थोड़ा जुगाड़ हो जाता है, नोट्स एंड सबका तो फिगर आउट है. बट एज इन फ्रेंड्स आई डिडंट मेड एनी, आई एम श्योर अबाउट इट. एंड आई हैव डेली रैंट पार्टनर्स, लाइक आई हैव पीपल जो हम लोग डेली रैंट करते हैं, बट मतलब बेसिकली मैं रैंट करती हूँ, वो लोग सुनता है. लाइक आई हैव डेली लिसनर्स आई गेस. और ठीक है, बट फ्रेंड्स आई डोंट थिंक आई मेड. और कुछ पुराने फ्रेंड्स भी थे, this said we will be in touch after I get in college, they get in college, but बोलते हैं ना, not everyone is true of their own words, और नहीं निकले वो. And now it's weird to connect to, मेरे लिए बहुत weird है कि मैं लोगों से बात करूँ जहाँ मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है I'm not feeling valued, या they can't make time out for me if I'm trying my best to give time to them. Basically since I don't have, all life is stuck, it sucks and it's busy, so इतना टाइम नहीं मिलता मुझे कि मैं बात करूँ मेरे पुराने फ्रेंड्स से. But I make sure in a month I'm trying and talking to all of my friends. But कुछ लोग priorities बता दी ना कि कौन किसकी priority है. And I know like, okay, you say me your friend and you say you will be there for me, but you don't. Like makes it so easier for me to know that you guys keep lying and expect me to believe you. That's hard. It's really hard. Like, do I look like a dumb? Even if I am not. कि तुम हर बार मुझे, I don't know, you lie or say truth, but it's like the same thing for me. You speak something, you do something, तो तुम्हारे actions, तुम्हारे vibes, तुम्हारे words कभी match नहीं कर रहे, तो मैं कैसे तुम पे trust कर लूँ? और भी कुछ अभी मैं बैठ गई बताने तो सब बाहर आ जाएगा. एंड सिंस आई एम ओवर शेयरिंग पर्सन, आई डोंट वांट टू शेयर एवरी शिट आउट, बिकॉज़ कुछ बातें नहीं बतानी अच्छी होती है. यू शुड मेक इट लुक सस गाइस. एंड बाय द वे, हैप्पी गुरु पूरब एवरीवन. या हैप्पी गुरु पूरब एवरीवन, और मे बी हैप्पी गुरु नानक जयंती, दैट्स बेटर. और क्या आई लुक गुड टुडे, पता नहीं क्यों. माय हेयर इज काइंड ऑफ मेसी, लाइक इट्स ऑल द पार्ट इज मेसी, बट द स्वेटर मेक्स मी लुक सो गुड, and actually I might have slept nicely, but I still have like dark circles. It can be visible, I don't need to prove it, I have dark circles. और क्या अच्छी चीज़ हो रही है. Yesterday I had a good watermelon juice with nata de coco. I'm like a kid when it comes about food. I'm like a kid. Like I'm very peculiar. I'm very particular. So I have a fine taste in food. I cannot assure about other things like about people. I cannot say. I really can't. Like if I try finding people, I meet the worst ones. But some random people come and we meet, they're the best ones. So the random people who I meet are the best. But the one I find like that's why I'm worst at making friends, and I'm not even at this point I don't even try making friends. There's just few things I got it straight in my college, like when I would meet people for particular reasons, and I'm just working for that. Like kind of acquaintances or something like that. Sorry, my English is bad. But you know what that thing is called? Like what do you say? Some social networking thing or some like marketing thing when you just like you just know people and then like kind of like if they're good enough then they would be helpful when I meet them for some particular thing or reason. Otherwise I just it took me 40 I was in the school for 14 years and it took me 14 years to make 2 single friends out of them. So what do you expect? I can't make friends in 4 years, and here in this college or maybe in every college at this point people believe in fast friends. Like in a month I've seen like people, some people in the start of the month they were so good and so good, the friendship was so nice and all. By the end of the month they aren't talking to each other, they're like the things got messy and stuff. So I'm like I can't do this. Like I can't just be sugarcoating things for like some. You don't get it right. If you don't get it, then you're dumb. I can't explain every shitty feeling I have. Like you get it right. I just don't want to. Then it's like hard. The best thing I have about my room is the view I get from outside the pahad and all. So basically, it reminds me of Udaipur because I'm a person who loves Udaipur. And it has mountains just like it had in Udaipur. Kind of similar, but it has no fucking vibe like Udaipur. And it can never be like that. Like at this point, if somebody says he's having a nice college life, being an introvert and like living in hostel and stuff and like it's like how the fuck you're having a nice life. Like look at this today's generation. I mean, we all are mean at some point. We all are busy. We all sound rude to some other person. We just don't mean to sometimes, but we turn out like that way. Like seriously, at this point, I don't think we even are enjoying our lives. What I mean, and just it's just like so deep to say. Well, I don't know if it does make sense or not, but it's total yapping point at this part. I'm yapping because I know what I want to say, but I can't publish it online because it might cause me a problem later. Or sooner, I don't know, but it is gonna cause me a problem because not everyone's gonna understand what I want to say, but I'm trying to know what things are in my mind, what is the exact context of the thing. And people are gonna take it personally, though I don't target anyone in this video. Nor I am like just I need to wrap it up quickly. And I'm like bye guys. अभी मिलते हैं 4 साल बाद और maybe like next year तो probably 2025 में एक vlog में yapping का डालूंगी. मेरे college के room से मत मांगो. This is like my room. It's this much. It's like literally this much is missed. It's real mess. Just don't ask me. मेरे room का tour तो मैं दे चुकी हूँ. College का tour मत मांगना, बहुत shitty है. I can share some sunset pictures later. वही अच्छा है. कुछ पॉइंट तो सनसेट अच्छे दिख जाते हैं. आसपास जंगल है, प्योर जंगल है. नेटवर्क भी नहीं आता है रूम में. अगर वाईफाई नाम की चीज डेवलप नहीं होती तो मतलब समझ लो हम प्रैक्टिकली एक जेल में रह रहे हैं. एंड इट्स वेरी फकिंग जेल जहाँ हम पे कर रहे हैं उसमें रहने का. किस खुशी में पे कर रहे हैं. आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई गेट इट. मैं अपनी फ्रीडम दिस दिस थॉट आई गेट एवरी टाइम. तो हमारी कॉलेज हाईवे पे है, तो हाईवे पे गाड़ी जाती है एंड इट गोज इन अ मोमेंट. तो आई जस्ट फील लाइक व्हेन आई एम वाचिंग एट हाईवे इन द इवनिंग और मे बी एनी टाइम ऑफ द डे व्हेन आई गेट टाइम, आई जस्ट फील लाइक मैंने अपनी फ्रीडम आई थॉट लाइक ग्रोइंग अप एंड गेटिंग आउट, living away from your parents and getting out of the house and things would change me as a person, will give me some more insights of things I'm looking forward to. But the only thing it's giving me like I felt like going out of the place you live, you'll get more freedom, but more than freedom I feel more restricted here at this point. I just feel so restrained, restricted that there are so many things I want to do but I can't because it's too much of restrictions and so many things. So basically I feel like why the fuck I paid for my own restrictions? Like why? I don't know. But bye guys, I gotta go and complete my assignments. Otherwise it's like there's this assignment I haven't been submitted and it's like it's really I have crossed the deadlines, covered deadlines, and it's been no months now, like basically 3 months. जितना टाइम मेरे को कॉलेज में गया तब तक से ही मेरे को assignment मिला है, मैंने अभी तक कंप्लीट नहीं करा because why I have to write everything. I don't know. 25-30 पेजेस तो अभी मैंने it's really less, but उससे ज़्यादा पेजेस हमें एक assignment में लगाना है. I have like so many assignments, not in one subject, multiple subjects, and मैंने कुछ भी नहीं करा है. I'm just yapping and like just pretend. I'm just pretending, not even pretending at this point. My college life is fucked up and I say it very loud, crystal clear. But it's really bad. Can I just cry in front of the camera? Why am I not having an eye strain and give it a reason that I have so that I can cry that I'm having an eye strain? Please, can I just cry? Pretend that I'm crying and saying like that. I'm not. Can I put a filter? Like, yeah, I can try putting a filter that I was crying and saying all these things because you know why? It's really nice. It's really not nice. Actually, what I'm speaking doesn't make sense right now at this moment. क्योंकि मुझे नहीं पता. I'll cut this part. Okay, I'll just zoom it. I'll do any fucking thing. I don't know. I'll just cut this part. Why do I even want this thing? Okay, bye guys. Let's do a final bye and bye.